Hi everyone, welcome to our show, Art of Living with Lanka Tiles. Before we start the program, I really want to speak to you about something exciting. That's the Super Home Hamper. You should not miss out on these amazing discounts that are available when it comes to your bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, living space, even for your entire home. And here they are. Hello.
Hi. Oh my God.
Kanhag, good to see you here. I know, surprise. So what brings you guys here?
Actually, Danu, we thought of doing up our bathroom.
Okay.
So, and also, ega mama me bedroom ekak pොඩ්ඩක් කරන්න කියලා.
You have come to the right place. I'll tell you why. Lanka Tiles is having this fabulous set of packages that's just perfect for you. You know, you wanted this, no? Bathroom package ne ඕන වෙලා හිටියේ. Bedroom උත් තියෙනවා. Now let's say without telling him what ගෙදරම හදන්න ඕනේ නා. Da 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 da.
Entire home package.
Yes, look at how great the deal is, man.
මේක නම් නියමයි.
Superb. Oh. So guys, this is the Majestica tile range. It's amazing and different. They even have different style options. All right. Now, tell me, as you take a look at it, first glance, can you notice something?
Yeah.
What?
Size එක.
Yeah.
Not bad, no?
So the Majestica tiles are the largest that you can find. And because of the size, you don't need to buy so many tiles that you might buy with the ordinary size, right? And because of the surface being so big, you see less of these grout lines.
What do you think, Kushal? මේක bathroom එකට?
Yeah. දෙකම ලස්සනයි. හැබැයි before we check on the tiles for the bathroom, අපි sanitary ware ටික පොඩ්ඩක් බලමු නේද?
Good idea. I'm sure you guys will agree, right? A bathroom is the place for us to like rejuvenate and find ourselves again after a long day. For me, it's like medicine. How is it for you guys?
Yeah, it's the same, you know, like ගොඩාක් exhausted දවසක both of us. The
Yeah.
first thing we will need once we get home is a good shower.
Why don't you guys step into this side? The beautiful light, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Coloma's shower heads are absolutely gorgeous, right? They are amazing because they're stylish. They are really high quality. In my opinion, they're masterpieces. And the best part is they have water optimizing technology. Ideal, right?
Yeah.
And look at the range of wash basins. And this is my personal favorite. You really like it?
Yes, and this is exactly what I had in mind, Danu.
There you
Remember
go.
I told you? Yeah. But I think මෙතන ලොකු මිර එකක් ආව නම් හොඳයි නේ.
ඔව් හැබැයි මේන් ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. මිර එකක් ආවොත් අපි ඩිසයින්ස් ටිකක් මොනවද දාන්න වෙනවනේ මිර එකටයි shower cubicle එකටයි.
Yes, හරි වීඩියෝ එකක් එන්නේ මට.
Tell me more about this.
No, there's this particular tile. It's not big. It's like අර චෝටි tiles නිකන් මේ bricks වගේ.
Say no more. I know exactly what you're talking about. Come, let's go. I'll show you. Come, come. This is the Lanka Tile Mosaic range. And I must tell you, this is the wave. Everyone really wants this aesthetic in their, you know, living spaces now across the world. And the best part is this is done with cutting edge technology, maintaining US standards. Is this what you were talking about?
Yes, yes, yes.
There you go.
No, they're very nice and they're very unique, no?
Yes, they are.
I mean, the mosaic tiles are so creative and unique. You can use it in our bathrooms as well. So I'm getting a lot of ideas by seeing this now.
Yeah.
But I think this is better because we are going for a white theme.
Oh.
This is something like this is good.
Yeah,
no?
but we could mix and match, no?
Right. I'm sorry. I feel there's a bit of a battle tension happening here. I'm going to let you all solve this battle later. But what will make it really easy is if I can just take you to our mock setup. Now, this will give you like a real life experience of how it's going to look. So what you see here is the bathroom mock-ups.
Very nice.
Yes.
Nicely done.
You want to take a look at it?
Let's go inside.
Wow, so beautiful.
Do you remember these tiles?
Yeah, what we checked that.
Yeah. The Majestica tiles. Good, no? Less grout. It's really, really good.
This wash basin, is it the same thing that we checked there?
Yeah.
Yeah, no? I love it. මම ආසයි මේ setup එකට මම ආසයි. But that's one thing. I think I need a bathtub somewhere here.
මට වැඩරලා ගෙදරනට වයිෆ් කෙනෙකුත් නැති වෙයි. බාත් ටබ් එකට වෙලා ඉඳි මෙයා.
Yeah, you wanted. Now you take so long to have a shower, no? You check those mosaic tiles, no? Nice, no? Why don't you like have a feel of it?
Actually Danu, I saw these tiles on catalogs and few videos and I was looking for this.
Guys, let me tell you about the aluminium doors. You know, it comes with the hamper and it's Swiss tech. Do I need to tell you about the quality? There's nothing to talk
aluminium?
about. Yes, it is. Yeah. So when you get this, it's safe, it's stylish, and at the same time, it's really durable.
Nice.
See, you guys came to the right place.
You can mix and match.
You all have chosen the aluminium doors, the sanitary ware, and the tiles. And mata kiyanna, to fix the tiles, what do you need?
බාස් කෙනෙක්ද?
අනු ඇවුත්තානි වගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ.
Nane, you know, you check this fabulous hamper out, man. You need grout. You need mortar. Come this way. I'll show you the full run of it. This is the complete range of Swiss stick, grout, mortar, and so many products that are available on the shelf. You know, I've given you so many amazing deals here,
Yeah.
but one more, just a cherry on top. Swiss stick is the only brand in Sri Lanka which has the SLA certification for tile mortar. Yeah.
So Lanka Tiles is not just giving us a simple discount. ඒගොල්ලන් full 360 package එකක් නේ දෙන්නේ.
Anivaring. So, have you guys made up your mind on the things that you want? And
Have you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have.
If she has made up her mind, I'm all good.
Super. That's great. So, shall we just go to the counter
Let's
and
go.
like find a way to check out? It's really cool. I love the service here. Krishan, meeting. No go. I know you're super excited about renovating your place and giving it the new look and all those stuff. But for those who are watching, we need to say goodbye, no? See, no. But I must say thank you so very much for making me a part of yours shopping extravaganza today. I hope I was of some use to you all. But I had so much of fun.
We had so much fun too.
Thanks.
So yeah, Danu, actually thank you. Thank you for guiding us because we got almost everything today and we got a wonderful offer, the Super Home Hamper. I think that's a wonderful experience
True.
for not only for the two of us, for everyone who's watching us.
Have a bomb to the I must say we have had a great experience with you guys and thank you for watching. I'm going to see you with another episode of The Art of Living with Lanka Tiles. So, api hambu wenakan ogulu sattutin inna, parisame inna, santhosayen inna.